Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about 10 passive income ideas that you can start with a small investment. Passive income is a great way to supplement your existing income and create financial freedom. So, let's get started. First, rental properties. Rental properties are a great way to earn passive income. You can buy a small rental property with a down payment and rent it out for a monthly income. This does require some initial investment and work, such as finding a good property and managing the rental, but it can pay off in the long run. Second, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn passive income. You can sign up for an affiliate program with a company and promote their products through your website or social media accounts. When someone purchases the product through your link, you earn a commission. Third, dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a good way to earn passive income. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. You can buy stocks in companies that pay a high dividend and earn a regular income from the payouts. Fourth, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a newer form of passive income. You can lend money to people through online platforms and earn interest on the loan. The platform takes care of the details such as credit checks, payment collection, and default management. Fifth, online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms such as Udemy or Teachable. Once you create the course, you can earn passive income from sales. Sixth, renting out your car. If you have a car that you don't use often, you can rent it out on platforms like Turo. This is a good way to earn passive income and cover your car expenses. Seventh, creating and selling digital products. You can create digital products like ebooks, printables, or software and sell them online. This requires some initial work but can pay off in the long run. Eighth, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products through an online store, but you don't hold the inventory. When someone makes a purchase, you buy the product from a supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. You earn a profit from the difference between the price you sell the product for and the cost of the product from the supplier. Ninth, royalties. If you're a creative person, you can earn passive income through royalties. You can create music, art, or write a book and earn royalties from sales. 10th, investing in a business. Finally, you can invest in a business as a silent partner. You provide the initial investment, but you don't have to be involved in the day-to-day operations. You earn a percentage of the profits as a return on your investment. So, those are 10 passive income ideas that you can start with a small investment. Remember that passive income takes time to build, but it can pay off in the long run. Which of these ideas do you think is the best fit for you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.